TinkerBlock Series Premium Modular Aesthetics. Mastering precision dimming with the TK06 Rotary Encoder. First, the XLLED connect GND to GND and signal to digital pin 6. Next, the TK06 connect GND to GND. Then, VCC to 5 volts, BTN to digital pin 3, CLK to pin 4, and data to pin 5. Required: Uno R3, XLLED module, and the TK06 Rotary Encoder, plus 3-pin and 5-pin jumper wires. Start with the XLLED. Seat the ground wire. Now, the signal wire to digital pin 6, hardware output ready. Transition to the TK06 for the control input. Start by terminating the ground wire to the GND pin, followed by the VCC to the 5-volt terminal on the Uno to energize the module. Next, seat the button signal into digital pin 3 for the reset function. Finally, complete the data link by carefully connecting the CLK wire to pin 4 and the data line to pin 5. Pulse communication established. Ensure every connection is seated firmly. Interface via USB. First, assign the CLK, data, and BTN pins. We initialize brightness at 128, the midpoint of the 8-bit range. Logic bridge established. Configure all control pins as input pull-up. This ensures stable high-level logic by engaging internal resistors. LED set to output for PWM control. The loop monitors the CLK pulse. A state change triggers the direction check. If CLK and data align, brightness increases. If they diverge, it drops. Precision quantization in action. Clamp the values. Use min and max to lock the range between 0 and 255. No overflow, no logic errors. The integrated button toggles the power state. A 200 millisecond debounce window filters out mechanical noise. Clean execution, perfect synchronization. Final step. Select the correct COM port under Tools. Hit Upload to flash the firmware. Upload complete. System active. The TK06 is now executing precision dimming. Rotate to scale, press to toggle. Logic confirmed.